Eric on about his fourth cast this morning.
It's just a little something.
And that's 4-2.
Probably, I don't know.
Very nice. Little fog coming off the water this morning. Lighting up the trees. Happy little trees. Number 6 for the man in the front of the boat. Wow.
No. But look at that though.
Yeah.
That hook is stuck. Far back it's in its mouth. He's bigger than 3. Oh, he's got, this is cool too, I'll show you.
3.2.
3 1/4. That was cool.
Yeah. Just got to see him take it on the top of the water. It was beauty. Number 7.
Woo! Good smallmouth.
Can't go wrong.
Can't go wrong. Let's see what he weighs.
He's a little shorter though. I think.
Yeah, don't. 2 pounds, 14 ounces. 2 7/8.
Sploosh. The hell am I? Yeah.
Yeah.
Little lake life in Michigan. I mean, everybody's got their own personal lighthouse, right?
Dude.
I don't think I've seen that but a handful of times. Eric, you just lost a fish. How's it feel?
Happens.
Aw, I thought the sun coming out to say hi this morning. Gonna be a beautiful day. Him just a little guy.
Just little baby.
Woo!
Another quality one.
Yeah.
That I never see or wear.
Freaking 2 3/4 pound smallie.
Another good
Smallmouth.
Be gone, snowflake.
A boat flip.
Just a little fella.
Yeah. Turns out.
Too much.
Yeah. You're a little guy.
Yeah, buddy.
He's nice.
Yeah.
We got to fight. Nice. Not a monster. Yeah, very nice.
Thanks. Oh,
He hit like a truck.
I don't have a net.
Boat flip him.
I'm not gonna boat flip a pike.
What are you gonna do with him?
I don't know.
Size.
He's real decent size.
And just
Alright.
grab your.
Here, do nothing. I got it. I had a. Come here, you toothy critter. God.
Wow. Nope, he just barehanded him on the back of the head.
5. You smoked it. He's.
Look at you. Beauty, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Be gone, snowflake.